Standard 9, English Medium, Maths, Chapter 14, Statistics, 2th Lecture.
Standard 9, English Medium, Maths, Chapter number 14, Lecture number 20. Measures of central tendency. We have discussions about this one. Properties of mean. Up to 5 properties we have discussed in lecture number 19. 19 અંદર આપણે 5 સુધીની ડિસ્કસ કરી છે. Now we will discuss about 6. Formula mean is equal to sigma x upon n is a algebraic. B R A I C E. B R I C algebraic. Okay, that means you can add it, subtract it, okay, divide it, you can do it, okay, where x bar is equal to mean, x bar x sigma sum of all the observations and is equal to total number of observations. From that you will obtain the another formula, sigma x bar is equal to x bar into n is equal to sigma x upon x bar, right? Suppose you are given x bar and n, then you can find the sum of observations. You are given the sum of observations and the mean, then you can find the number of observations like this way. Okay, if any two of the three quantities are given, then the third can be calculated. ત્રીજી આપણે શોધી શકીએ. આપણે તો આ એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખી દેવાનું. mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. આપણે ત્રણ સિમ્પલ सम्स લઈ લ્યો એટલે તમને ખબર પડી જાય. If the sum of 8 observations is 56, then find the mean. તો પહેલું આપણે લીધું x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. You are already given sum of the 8 observations. 56 is equal to 7 is your answer. Okay. If the mean of data of 9 observations is 7, then find the sum of observations. તો આપણી પાસે શું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે? x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. એના ઉપરથી આપણે શું લઈ શકશું? From that we can find that sigma x bar is equal to x bar into n. The mean of data of 9th observations is 7 multiplied by 9, 63. Sum of observations is your 63. If the mean of the sum of observations is 130, sum of some observations is 130 and its mean is 10. Find the number of observations. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. From that you can find n is equal to x bar upon sigma x upon n. X bar is equal to 130, that is 10, 0, 0. Number of observations is 13. Number of observations is 13. Be careful. અહીંયા પરથી આપણે આના પર આવ્યા. ચાલો સમજ પડી? એક શોર્ટ આ ત્રણમાંથી એક ત્રણમાંથી બે હોય તો ત્રીજી વસ્તુ તમે શોધી શકો. Number 6. Now you are given the two sets. Two set of the observations. Number of observations mean. Then you can find the combined observations. How it is? If the mean of n observations of the one data is x bar. Ek data no number of observations n છે અને mean x bar છે. હવે second બીજા data no. The mean of n observations another data is y bar. બીજાનો y bar છે. Then combined mean of n plus n observations can be calculated by following formula. Combined mean x1 bar is equal to nx bar plus my bar plus m plus n. I will take the simple sum so you will get the idea. The mean of 6 observations is 3 and mean of another 4 observations is 5. Then find the combined mean of all those 10 observations. 10 observations now. X bar is equal to 3, n bar is equal to 6, y bar is equal to 5, m is equal to 4. Mean of another 4 observations, 4 is 5. Okay, then what is your formula? X1 bar is equal to nx bar plus my bar upon m plus n. N means 6, x bar means 3 plus y, m is equal to 4 into 5 upon 6 plus 4 is equal to 80 plus 20 divided by 2, 38 divided by 10 is equal to 3.8 is your answer. 3.8 is your answer. Got it? हाँ, समझ पड़ गए? चलो जरा फरीदी. हाँ, n is equal to 6, x bar is equal to 3 plus sign, that is the formula. N is equal to 4, y bar is equal to 5, 6 plus 5, 6 3 is 18, 4 5 is 20, 18 plus 20 38 divided by 10 is equal to 3.8 is your answer. Get it? समझ पड़ गए? चलो હવે next we will take the simple sums. First we have discussed the properties and definitions etc. theoretical part. Now textbook illustrations example number 10. Okay, 5 people were asked about the time in a week they spent in doing social work in their communities. They say 10, 7, 30, 20 and 15 hours respectively. Find the mean or average. जो average शब्द भी मूकी सके, mean भी मूकी सके. Time in a week devoted by them for the social work. Where is it? Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 30 plus 20 plus 15 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of observations is 5. 65 upon 5 is equal to 13 hours. Average, mean, per week. 5 people asked about the time in a week. 13 hours, average or a mean devoted in a week. 13 કલાક, એક અઠવાડિયામાં 13 કલાક સોશિયલ વર્ક કરે. Example number 30. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the 30 student of class 9 of a school given in example number 2, page number 240. Page number 240 पर example number 2 पर 30 student marks આપેલા છે 10, 20, 36, 90, 95, 40, 50, 56, 70, 90, 92, 88 and so and 60, 60, 80. I have calculated, it is given in textbook also. The sum of this one is 1779. So mean x bar is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations 1779 upon 30 is equal to 59.3 marks. The average marks or a mean marks is 159.3 marks. Got it? One extra example. Actually, this example is taken from the previous one. આપણે આગળ જે કર્યો તે, but it is classified. It is classified according to the group data without class. 10 કેટલા ટાઈમ્સ હતો 1 ટાઈમ, 20 કેટલા ટાઈમ 1 ટાઈમ, 36 3 ટાઈમ, 44 times, 53 times, 56 2 times, 64 times, like this way. Okay, we are classifying. So sometimes they will give the data, group data without class. Group data with class તમારા સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th માં આવશે. જે કે ત્યારે આપણે જોશું કે કેવી રીતે આ ટાઈપના सम्स આપેલો હોય તો આપણે શું કરવાનું, that is your observations max 10s. okay, so FIXI multiplied product of this one, 10 ones are 10, 20 ones are 20, like this way. 36 3s are 108, 160, 53s are 150, 211, 56 2s are 240, 280, 72 ones are 80, 176, 276, 95 ones are 95. It is a 1. Okay, in last it is a 1. So total number of frequency, total number of students is 30. Total number of FIXI is equal to 1779. એજ આવશે ને, કારણ શું આમાં પહેલામાં આપણને એમાં આવ્યું કે 10 20 પછી 36 3 times, 36 3 times, પછી 44 times, 40 plus 40 plus 40, like this way. Okay, like this way. So 40 40 40 4 times. So sum of this one also 179. Same thing is that. પણ આપણે જ્યારે આ રીતે હોય ત્યારે આપણે શું કરશું, 44 જા 53 જા 56 ટુ જા મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દઈએ એટલે ઓટોમેટિક આવી જાય. તો આના માટેની આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલા શું બને, આપણે પહેલામાં જોયું છે તે પ્રમાણે mean x bar is equal to sigma fi x1 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x4 plus up to x raised to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, x13 upon number of observations અથવા the total number of frequency is equal to, એ લોકો કેવી રીતે લખે, સિમ્બોલિકલી આવી રીતે લખે, xi fi upon n અથવા તો સિગ્મા fi આવી રીતે લખે. આપણે આ લખીને ડાયરેક્ટ અહીંયા લખી દેવાનું, FIXI means 1799. total number of frequency n is equal to 30. જો total number of frequency f is equal to n, સમજ પડી, આ બંનેનું વસ્તુ મીનિંગ એક જ થાય, is equal to 30. that is same n numbers 59.3 marks. Is it clear? Same example, but way of asking is different. Okay, illustrations example number 12. The height in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follows. Find the median of the data. 155 centimeter, 160 centimeter, 145 centimeter, and so on, 148 centimeter. What we have to find? What is in the median? Median is the middle value. Okay, whose left hand, the number of left hand side of observations is equal to number of right hand side of the observations. The median is that value which divide it into two exact equal part. Now number of observation on both eight sides means median sides, left and right are equal. Here number of observations is equal to 9, that is odd number. So our direct formula જે આપણને મળી જશે, median is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth observations. The value of n plus 1 upon tooth observation, n is equal to 9 plus 1 upon 2th observations is equal to 10 upon 2th observations is equal to 5th observation. What is your 5th observations? 1, 2 આના અંદર ની જોવાનું એસેન્ડિંગ ઓર્ડરમાં ગોઠવેલું હોય તેમાં જોવાનું. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 149 is equal to 149 centimeter. The median of the data is 149. ઘણા જણા આમાં જોઈ લે 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. કેમ કે મારે તો 150 આવી ગયું. હા, that is wrong. હા, તો પછી આ એસેન્ડિંગ ઓર્ડર ગોઠવવાનું કારણ શું? ક્લિયર? હા, right? 149 is there. How many numbers are there on the left hand side of 149? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there on the right hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Even હોય તો પછી આપણે આ બેની વચ્ચેનું લઈ લઈએ. Okay? At that time you will get here 5.5 or a 6.5 like this way. In next sums we will see such type of the example. Illustration example number 13, page number 267. The points scored by a kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. Find the median of the points scored by them. એ લોકોએ આ બધા સ્કોર કર્યા છે 17, 2, 7, 27, 15, 5, 14, 8, 10, 14, 48, 10, 8, 7, 18, 28. Now first of all, to find the median. What is with my median? It is the median value. What? Below this value, the number of observations is equal to. They divide the number of observations into exactly two equal parts. मानो कि તમારા 7 છે 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 પાર્ટ છે તો થર્ડ નંબર છે એનાથી 3 ઓછા અને 3 વધારે. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 છે તો you will take the average value of 4th and 5th. They exact part ના અંદર divide કરે. So first of all we will arrange the into ascending order or a descending order. ગમે તેના અંદર ગોઠવવાનું. I have taken ascending order. 2 5 7 7 8 8 2 times 10 2 times 14 15 17 28 24 27 28 and 40. Number of observations is equal to number of observations n is equal to 16. Okay, so value of median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observations. N means 16 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 17 upon 2 is equal to 8.5 observations. Now where is the 8.5 observations? M is equal to what is the 8th observations plus 9th observations divided by 2. 8 observations plus 9th observations divided by 2. 8 observations plus 9th observations divided by 2. 8 observations means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 9th observations means 14. Divided by 2 is equal to 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. જો આપણે અહીંયા 12 મૂકી દઈએ તો 12 થી ઓછા કેટલા આવશે 8. 12 થી વધારે કેટલા આવશે 8. Exactly that part 24. હવે આપણે और એક બીજી મેથડ્સ આ જ છે જો કે પણ તમારે ડાયરેક્ટ m n is equal to 16 even number. So m is equal to n by 2 observations plus n by 2 plus 1 observations divided by 2. 16 divided by 2th observations. 16 divided by 2 plus 1th observations divided by 2, that is your 8th observations plus 9th observations plus 9th observations divided by 2, same value, 8 observations plus 9th observation, 10 plus 14 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. આ ફોર્મ્યુલા તમને બુકમાં આપેલી છે and that formula we have made ourselves. That formula we have made it ourselves. N plus 2, 16 plus 17th observations, 17 by 2, 8.5th observations. 8.5 આવવાનું નથી એટલે આપણે શું કરીએ we will take the average between 8 and 9. Now next sum number 14. Now example number 14, find the mode of the following marks out of 10 obtained by the 20 students. 4, 6, 5, 9, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 10, 10, 3, 4, 7, 6, 9, 9. Okay. So what is meant by mode? The value which is frequently most occurs. જે વધારે વધારે જે frequency આવી હોય તેને આપણે શું કહેશું mode. Okay. Mode is that value of the observations which occur most frequently, i.e. an observations with maximum frequency is called the mode. The value of maximum frequency is known as the mode. જે વધારે વધારે વખત આવેલું હશે જે observations તેને આપણે શું કહેશું mode. અહીંયા આગળ તમારે ascending order કે descending order માં arrange કરવાનું ફરજિયાત નથી. Okay. To make it easy, I have drawn this one. 2 1 times say, 3 2 times say, 4 4 4 3 times, 5 5 2 times, 6 6 6 3 times, 7 7 7 3 times, 9 9 9 9 4 times, 10 10. Whose frequency is maximum? 9th. Here 9th occurs most frequently, i.e. 4 times. કેટલી વખત આવેલો છે? 9 occurs 4 times. So the value of mode Z is equal to 9. The value of Z is equal to 9. Now example number 15. Considering a small unit of a factory where there are 5 employees. 5 employees છે. A supervisor and 4 laborer. એક supervisor છે અને 4 labor છે, મજૂર છે. The laborers draw a salary of 5,000 rupees per month. Labor ની value કેટલી છે? 5,000 each, while the supervisor get 15,000 per month. Calculate the mean, median and mode of the salary of this unit of salary. Solutions: mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. So mean x bar is equal to 5,000 plus 5,000 4 times. Okay. 4 times plus 15,000 upon 1 2 3 4 5. That means it is how much? 20 plus 35. 35,000 upon 5 is equal to 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. Now median, ascending order. Is equal to 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 and 15,000. So So number of observations 5. So number of observations 5, odd number. So median n is equal to n by n plus 1 upon 2th observations. That means 5 plus 1 upon 2th observations. That means 6 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2th observations is equal to 3rd observations. 6 by 2 is the 3rd observations. What is the value of 3rd observations? 1, 2, 3, 5,000 rupees is equal to 5,000 rupees. Okay. Median n is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observations. 5 plus 1 6. 6 divided by 2, 6 3 are 2. 3rd observations 5. Now mode is equal to, now 5,000 occurs frequently. 5,000 occurs most frequently. Most frequently. i.e. કેટલા ટાઈમ્સ આવે છે? It occurs 4 times. So mode Z is equal to 5,000 rupees. And the mode is equal to 5,000 rupees. Median is equal to 5,000 rupees. Okay.